Hey guys, namaste and welcome to my channel Mona Swag. In my channel, I am going to post my best cooking recipes, vlogs, health tips and other DIY. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more interesting updates from me. Today, I am going to take you all to the best library in my county, which is Ashburn Library. So without any delay, let's get started. We started from our home at 6 pm and we are on the way to the Ashburn Library now. The weather here is extremely sunny today. After traveling for about 10 minutes from my home, we reached the Ashburn Library. From the parking, I am moving towards the library now. Ashburn Library is one among the 10 locations of the Loudoun County Public Libraries. Here we have the Ashburn Associations and Communities written. I am now moving inside. Let's go! Here at entrance we have all the list of upcoming events shown. On to my left side, some best novels of all kinds are listed. In this branch we have story times, computers and printing, meeting rooms, notary services and donations and book sales. On to my right we have the help desk with the library staff available to assist you. I am moving to the section straight to me, which is books on CD. In this section we have different kinds of books available in CDs, that is disc format. Let me show one for you guys. As you see here, any book we pick here has the CDs, that is the disc available with the ebooks of that particular book. We have the graphic novels of mostly related to the sports, as you can see in the left rack over here. And this seems to be a very colorful and extremely peaceful place to sit at. In this section we have two computers available to check the catalog and find the relevant book for you. It is very easy to get the library card for the people of any ages, and we can use this card in any of the branches of the county. I am moving to the right side, which is the adult section. There are different kinds of wall arts, as you can see, and also there are two Mac devices here which can be used for 1 hour at a time. There is also a rack with books which is supposed for young adults. The library is extremely quiet and has a huge collection of books. I am moving to the hold section now. You can place a hold on an item to the catalog from the Loudoun Library Government portal. The requested items are kept for you to pick up at the branch for 7 days. These are very well sorted, that is A to L on one side and M to Z on the other side, so you can easily find your book. Here, as you can see, there are some beautiful canvas paintings placed on the wall. The books are labeled LCPL, Loudoun County Public Library, followed by the 3 letters of the last name of the author, so we can easily find the book we are looking for. And also the best thing is that we can borrow 50 books at a time. We have various sitting places here along with the provision for computers. Here we have a new and popular book section wherein we can find all the newly listed books from the catalog from the LCPL. These computers have internet access and print capability and are available on first come first serve basis for 1 hour at a time. In this section there are different books like encyclopedias, dictionaries, world atlas, etc. available in English. These are especially for the multilingual people who are willing to learn English. There are various categories of books available here and are easily searchable. As you see, there are some beautiful floral wall arts over here. Here is an old picture of the Loudoun County Library. This This is the magazines and newspapers section, wherein we have n number of magazines and newspapers available here. Loudoun Library provides Hoopla or Overdrive to download most of the ebooks and audiobooks. As you see, the seating arrangement is also too good here. This is so spacious and really calm. So I'm moving back from here. The library is very quiet and it's a pretty peaceful place. We have 3 study rooms in the library with a whiteboard and a seating arrangement. We need not book these in prior. Moving ahead, there is a copier section over here. The printing here is limited to 50 pages per day. There's a little wooden box that you pay for printing. Here we have some job opportunities related to home care and tutoring. The staff available here are really friendly and helpful. I am now moving to the children's section, which is available to the left side from the entrance. Here we have an interesting poster of the animals of the Amazon. These are some of the kindergarten books. The seating arrangement for kids is very good. On to my left we have all the preschool related books, and also as you see there are a number of cartoons above it. This will just create the interest in kids and they find it very colorful. Here there are few drawing books and some blocks for the kids to play. These racks are all about picture books, and as you see every book is completely related to pictures so that the kids will find it really helpful. There is a saying that a picture is far more better than 1,000 books. This really helps the kid to understand better. We have 2 separate sections for non-fiction and fiction related books. There are more than 1,000 plus books before kindergarten reading, and also there are all the books available for the children of all grades. In the non-fiction, there are different categories like history, computer science, biography, religion and lot more segregated thoroughly so that the kids can find them very easily. Here there are some magazines related to zoo books, sports, National Geographic and all others. These are the best summer editions. As you see here, the picture books are properly listed based on the author's last name, that is last 3 digits of the author's name, so that we can easily find the books in the racks. Similarly, there are different categories of non-fiction books like biographies, history, computer science, technology, religion, engineering and so on listed properly. Here there are some books on alphabets, letters, bedtime stories, cars and trucks, colors and many more. So here is my kid who already picked one book from the preschool section and he is going on to the pictures here. So seriously. The environment here is such a way that every kid will love to spend time and read the books here. Here there is a meeting room C with 75 seats. In this library there are 3 such meeting rooms and are available free of charge for public use. They should be reserved for at least 30 days in advance. There are computers at each section which help you to find the relevant book from the catalog, and if at all you are not able to find them, you can seek the help of library staff here. In this section, Ashburn Amazon Explorers, there are computers with educational games for children of the ages 3 to 8 and are available for 30 minutes at a time. The library is very neat and clean and extremely organized, so I would say this is the best place for study. There There is a large collection of various books, and if at all you still not find the book you are looking for, there is an option for interlibrary loan which is worth $3 which you need to pay while pickup. On to my left there is returns section, and good thing is that 24 hours book returns are now available. To the right side we have meeting room A of seating capacity 25 and meeting room B with seating capacity 50, and there are also restrooms over there. Overall this library is so historic and absolutely great. I hope you all enjoyed this video and got a clear understanding on how the Ashburn Library looks like. See you again.